Hello. The given question is from Control System, Test Series 1, Basics of Control, and the chapter is Basics of Control System, and this question is 2 marks question. So here they are given the signal flow graph, and we have to find the number of forward path for this given signal flow graph. So forward path is nothing but the path has to go from input to output, not from output to input. So forward path is from input to output. So there are first forward path, that is P1, G2, G3, that is from X, G1, G2 and G3. This is one forward path, and second forward path is from G1, G2 and G10 from here to here. This is one more forward path, and P3 that is G7, G2 and G3, that is G7, G2 and G3. Like this. Fourth forward path is from G7, G2 and G10. And fifth forward path is G4, G5, G6 to output, and sixth forward path is G7, G2 and G10. Sorry, G7, G9 and G6. This is one more forward path, that is sixth forward path, and seventh forward path, that is G1, G9 and G6, and eighth forward path is G4, G8 and G3, and ninth forward path is G4, G8 and G10, and 10th forward path is G1, G9, H2, that is minus H2, and G8 and then G3 to Y. Since H2 is minus here, so we'll get this path as minus of G1, G9, H2, G8 and H3. Similarly, path 11 minus G1, G9, H2, G8 and G10, and for 12th forward path is minus of G1, G7, G9, H2, G8 and G3, and 13th forward path is minus of G7, G9, H2, G8, G10, and 14th forward path is G4, G8, H4, G9 and G6. Since H4 and H2 is minus, so we'll get 10th and 11th and 13th, 12th and 14th part as minus. So there are 14 forward path in this given signal flow graph. Thank you.